Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install the NET SDK and pick an IDE. Once installed, create a solution folder and run .NET New with the template you need. This gives you the project skeleton quickly. You do this because templates wire up dependencies and folders correctly, saving time. Make sure to name the project clearly and initialize Git now, so version control is ready. This first step gets you code, build files, and a runnable app in seconds, so you can focus on features. Once the project skeleton exists, implement core features by outlining classes and interfaces. This prevents messy refactors. You will add required NuGet packages using .NET Add Package or the IDE because external libraries handle heavy lifting. Then, write small, focused methods and unit tests for critical logic right away. Tests catch regressions and clarify expected behavior. As you code, run .NET Build and .NET Test frequently to verify changes. You finish by cleaning up code, updating README, and using .NET Publish or the IDE Publish profile to produce deployable artifacts. Once done, run integration tests and validate app settings in App Settings, JSON or environment variables to avoid runtime surprises. Make sure to bump version and tag your release in Git before deployment. If something goes wrong, use logging and strategic breakpoints to trace state and reproduce the issue. This one troubleshooting tactic often reveals configuration mismatches or null references quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.